Good morning, class 12th. As you all know, we were doing lesson number 5, that is challenges to Congress system. Today, in this challenge, we will be taking up a new topic that is referred to as the split in the Congress. Actually, the topic doesn't remain or being related only to the split in Congress. It is also considered as the presidential elections of 1969. In your books, there has been a page given in your book is like this. It's like this. It's page number 93. So I will be discussing and detailing about the topic. Fine. Although one thing to be kept in mind is that although the Indira was chosen by the members of syndicate, at that time Congress president was K. Kamraj. K. Kamraj has given a plan according to which the senior leaders of the Congress must resign from the top positions and the younger leaders of Congress should be given a chance to hold positions. K. Kamraj lost elections of 1967 and S. Nijalingappa became the next Congress president. Congress syndicate leaders always believed that Indira is politically unexperienced. She is not having that political text. So they chose Indira because they believe that Indira will be only working on their advice. Whereas Indira from the very beginning want to take her own decisions, she slowly and slowly sidelined the decisions of the syndicate leaders and created her own supporters outside the Congress political party. Indira, meanwhile, in 1968-67, also took few reforms, like in Congress working committee, she announced that she wants to bring certain social changes in its policies, although S. Nijalingappa approved them, but the difference occurred. Similarly, Indira was also very much open to the abolition of Privy Purse, by which after Morarji Desai left the party. Till this episode, things were under control, but the factional differences between Indira and the top leaders of Congress, that is syndicate, became more open in the year 1969. It became clear with the sudden death of Dr. Zakir Hussain, who was then the President of India, died. Because of the sudden death of Zakir Hussain, the post of President of India fell vacant, khali ho gayi. Now it was very much required that the president to be chosen. All the political parties in our country nominate the name of the president. At that time, although it was in the hands of the Prime Minister to decide in the working committee that whose names to be nominated, syndicate leaders managed to nominate the name of N. Sanjeeva Reddy. Syndicate leaders N. Sanjeeva Reddy. N. Sanjeeva Reddy was a long time opponent of Shrimati Indira Gandhi, and at that time he was working as the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Ultimately, S. Nijalingappa, with all the other senior syndicate leaders, took a decision and N. Sanjeeva Reddy was declared as an official Congress candidate for ensuring presidential elections. Whereas Indira Gandhi didn't kept quiet at that time, she retaliation, react karna. She retaliated, and at that time the Vice President of India was V.V. Giri. She filed his nomination as an independent candidate. फाइन कि वीवी गिरी का नाम कांग्रेस नॉमिनेशन में नहीं जाएगा, इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट हम इनको भरवा देते हैं. Moreover, she meanwhile announced many reforms, many strong policies, and implemented them in a certain way. The most important ones were that she at that time nationalized means to bring things into public sector. She at that time nationalized the 14 leading banks. She also abolished the privy purse, that is, when the special privileges were given to the princes. Morarji Desai was at that time Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister. He immediately resigned. So ultimately, the Congress was not at all satisfied this. They were fearing that Indira might not take another hasty step in such direction. S. Nijalingappa issued a whip. whip का मतलब होता है एक तरीके का चाबुक, कि आपको जो काम करना है वो, अगर आप कांग्रेस के मेंबर हैं तो आपको इस इंटरेस्ट में ही करना है. He issued a whip in which he clearly stated and asked all the MLAs and the member of parliament to vote in favor of N. Sanjeeva Reddy, who was declared as an official candidate for the party. In such a situation, supporters of Indira requestioned का मतलब होता है उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं, उन्होंने अलग तरीके से चुप्पी साधी और अपना ही डिसीजन ले लिया. Questioned the decision of S. Nijalingappa, and they held a special meeting for AICC, that stood for All India Congress Committee. Meanwhile, Indira, in order to give answer to S. Nijalingappa, called for conscience vote. Conscience means the you can say the word of your heart, your decision of your own heart, and asked the Congress MPs and MLAs to support in favor of, to cast their vote in favor of VV Giri. Plus, she also stated that all the MLAs and MPs of the Congress should be free to vote. उन्हें जिसको वोट देना है वो करें. So the result was this: VV Giri won the elections. In your book we have done a picture. It is given like this. We have discussed this picture in the online class. It's a very important picture. The boxing gloves, the garland, a man with a garland is VV Giri. At the back hand side is the Indira Gandhi. The person who is lying down on the floor is N. Sanjeeva Reddy, जिनके ऊपर कांग्रेस लिखा हुआ है, and S. Nijalingappa is looking at him. नाउ ऑब्वियस सी बात है, जो रिएक्शन था, द डिफीट थे जो ऑफिशियल कांग्रेस की, एक्चुअली इट फॉर्मलाइज द स्प्लिट मीन्स टूटना, स्प्लिट इन द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. On the very next day, S. Nijalingappa, who was at that time Congress president, expelled the Prime Minister from the party. She claimed that her group was the real Congress. उन्होंने कहा ठीक है मैं पार्टी छोड़ देती हूँ, मैं अपना ग्रुप बनाऊंगी. नवंबर 1969 आने तक दो ग्रुप्स कांग्रेस के हो गए. एक ग्रुप कांग्रेस ओ, जिसे कांग्रेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहा जाता है, और ओल्ड कांग्रेस कहा जाता है, जो कि सिंडिकेट का लीडर्स था. और एक ग्रुप बना कांग्रेस आर, जिसे न्यू कांग्रेस भी कहा जाता है. फाइन. यहाँ रिक्वेनिश का आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू अ मीनिंग इन हिंदी, दैट इज अपेक्षित, जिसके ऊपर आप भरोसा कर सकते हैं, जो आपकी डिमांड कर सकते हैं. एंड अल्टीमेटली जब इंदिरा गांधी जी से पूछा गया तो शी स्टेटेड दैट शी had a split in the Congress. It is due to the ideological differences. As for running the country, there was differences between the ideas between both the leaders, and she wants to work on the ideologies of his father or Mahatma Gandhi, whereas old Congress said that Indira had played the game. She was not able to listen to the Congress leaders. She was manipulating the situations. So rift was becoming so open that they have to formalize the split. फाइन एनीवे इंदिरा गांधी ने ये भी कहा कि एक आइडियोलॉजिकल स्प्लिट है बिटवीन द सोशलिस्ट एंड द कंजर्वेटिव. इंदिरा स्टेटेड दैट शी सपोर्ट्स द सोशलिज्म and old Congress stood for conservatism. There is also a difference between a pro-poor policies and a pro-rich policies. She wants to work for the poor strata and syndicate leaders were in favor of rich. So today my topic was related to this only, that is split in the Indian Congress. इसका रिजल्ट क्या हुआ वी विल बी डूइंग इन अवर नेक्स्ट क्लास.